name's Iain Codona and I studied the International Restaurant Management Bachelor of Business and I graduated in 2015. So since graduating I reopened a iconic Sydney Harbourside venue called Cruise Bar. I've worked as a restaurant manager for Rockpool Dining Group and I'm currently employed as the general manager of Popolo restaurant in Rushcutters Bay. I've definitely not always known that I wanted to work in the hospitality industry. I started my career straight out of high school as an electrical engineer, but on moving to Australia I fell into working in hospitality and found out that I actually really enjoyed the business, and from there I started to look at courses to study and make it a career. Well, I chose to study at Cordon Bleu because it's an internationally recognised brand and is synonymous with quality in the hospitality industry. I really enjoyed studying the commercial cookery aspect of the bachelor's degree because I think it gave a really unique insight into the back of house operation of restaurants. Some advice that I would give for new students is to get a job in hospitality. It doesn't have to be the highest level, it could be any job in any aspect of hospitality, because I think that the more experience you have all round in the business, the much better manager that you will be in the long term. Another piece of advice that I would give to new students is to find yourself a mentor that you can really learn from. It doesn't always have to be the positives, you can also learn from bad mentors as well. One of my favourite moments studying at Cordon Bleu was partaking in the industry experience period, because it gave me a great opportunity to put the skills that I'd learned in class into practice in the hospitality industry. So during my industry experience period, I worked at Longrain in Surrey Hills as a section waiter, which had 2 hats at the time. It was a fantastic experience and a really great entry-level point into the restaurant industry.